Okay, this video is going to show you how to configure the menu for the Autotrack. We're trying to hide the main menu here for the administrator. Okay, let's do it. First of all, go to Setting, Menu Caption. Okay, we have to look at the menu, which is with parent ID equals to 0. That means this is the main menu. So let's see our asset master. We want to hide it, edit, hide for admin. Okay. This is pretty important because different row will have different menu. If you have more than one row in your system, you actually can set different row have different type of menu. So you click update. So let's refresh. You'll be able to see the asset master should be missing. Okay, yes. Okay, we do one more. Receiving, for example. Okay, if you cannot find, you just type in receiving here, click edit, click untick, click update. Okay, now we refresh. You can see the receiving is missing. So in order to recover back, let's click edit, receiver, click update, and then try to refresh. So the receiving menu is back. That's all.